If your Telegram account is frozen, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to check the problem, what may have caused it, and the steps you can take to fix it safely. This is a common issue, and in many cases it is temporary, which means you may only need to wait it out. But if the freeze happened by mistake, I'll also show you how to contact Telegram support the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram and try signing in normally. This helps you confirm whether your account is actually frozen and shows you any message Telegram is giving you. If you see a temporary freeze message, take a moment to read it carefully. Telegram may restrict accounts for suspicious activity, spam-like behavior, or unusual login patterns, so the message can sometimes give you a clue about what happened. If Telegram says the restriction is temporary, the safest thing to do is wait for that restriction period to end. Do not keep retrying over and over, because that usually will not speed things up. In fact, repeated attempts can sometimes make the situation more confusing. While you wait, it's important to avoid the behaviors that often trigger account restrictions in the first place. That means no bulk messaging, no sending the same message to lots of people, and no using unofficial Telegram apps or modified clients. These third-party apps can sometimes cause your account to get flagged, even if you did not mean to break any rules. If you've been using Telegram for business, promotions, or large group messaging, it's a good idea to slow things down and use the official app only. Once the freeze period ends, try logging in again and check whether your account is restored. If it works, that means the issue was temporary and has now been lifted. But if you believe the freeze is a mistake, or if your account still isn't working after waiting, then your next step is to contact Telegram support directly. Go to https://support in your browser and explain your issue clearly. Keep your message short, polite, and specific. Mention that your Telegram account is frozen, that you believe it may be an error, and include any details that might help them review your case. After you send the request, follow any instructions Telegram gives you, and wait for their response before trying again. Don't create multiple support requests at the same time, and don't keep switching between devices or apps, because that can slow things down. The main thing to remember is that a frozen Telegram account is often temporary, and the best fix is usually to wait, avoid suspicious activity, and contact support if needed. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.